to walk up to the barista and start with apologies. And I start.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. No action is required.
The music of English composer Hubert Parry, Symphonic Variations, played by the London Philharmonic Orchestra, conducted by Matthias Bammert. Here on WVIA Radio, your source for classical music in northeastern and central Pennsylvania. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'm Larry Voitko. Coming up in just a bit, birthday greetings to concert pianist Thomas Vachery. Please stay tuned.
This is the Composer's Datebook for August 11th. I'm John Burge. In 1906, the Russian composer Sergei Rachmaninoff had his heart set on turning the popular Belgian poet and playwright Maurice Maeterlinck's play Monavana into an opera. Unfortunately, Rachmaninoff began work on Monavana before he had secured the rights to do so. Rachmaninoff had already finished parts of a piano score for his opera.
To controlling his type 2 diabetes, my dad's got this too.
With the right choices, you have it in you to control your A1C, and once-weekly Trulicity may help. Most people taking Trulicity reached an A1C under 7%, and it starts lowering blood sugar from the first dose by helping your body release the insulin it's already making. Trulicity is for type 2 diabetes. It isn't for people with type 1.